Hello, this is Ralph from Global Staffing and Business Solutions. Today I want to talk about medical consultations, and essentially what we do is we help companies in the medical field help them get to the next level, or help ease the pain of some of the shortcomings that they might have. Okay. If you looked at some of our videos, we do a lot of medical staffing, and we're almost like an affiliate for the staffing. But are you a medical company that has problem with patients? You're not getting enough patients? Do you have a problem with staffs not being adequately trained? Are you having problems, any kind of internal structural problems? Are your competition beating you down? What kind of problem do you really have? In every single kind of problem that you have, we can help. We can help you solve that problem. That's what we do. The first thing we like to tackle when we partner with you, the first thing we need to look at is we need to look at the entirety of your company, your practice. We need to find out what you're doing and how you're doing it, and from there then we can structure out a plan that we can do to help you. We've been doing this for a long time, for close to about 15 years now, and in my medical dissertation, that's what I did. In my PhD, that's what I did. I did strategy and positioning, and essentially I did it in the medical field. So the first thing essentially we do is we look at your company in its entirety, and we do a restructuring process whereby we take every single department, we study it carefully and see what we can do to improve. The second thing we do is we train your staff, because a lot of time when we go into a medical practice, we see that sometimes they're not adequately staffed. And sometimes they're adequately staffed, but the staffing situation doesn't flow. And in some cases, they're overstaffed. And when you overstaffed, the bottom line is that if you don't have an office that's well structured, if you don't have an office that everybody is trained adequately to know exactly what they're supposed to do, what they're not supposed to do, where everybody knows what their responsibility is, you can never have a good flowing office. So this is what we provide. Okay? And most small clinics, one of the greatest problems they have is they don't have enough patients. This is what we do. We are able to structure out ways that we can get you new patients. Okay? We can provide you patients, we can make that phone ring. If you want that phone to ring, we can make it ring. We have proven ways that we can make the phone ring. We introduce a lot of, when we study your clinic, we introduce a lot of procedures. In every specialty that you have, there are some things, because we've been in the field so long, there's a lot of things that you're supposed to be doing to get extra income in that you're not doing. And we can introduce these things to you, because we know who the manufacturer is. We work with your budget, essentially. Okay? When we do this, we increase profitability, because when you have more patients coming in and you're doing more procedures, everybody who's in the medical field knows that seeing patients doesn't cut it. The money comes from when you're doing procedures, not unnecessary procedures, but the procedures. When you do enough procedures, and you have a lot of people coming into your practice, that's how you break even. That's how you make money. And in as much as you may love to take care of people, you still can't keep the doors open if you don't have enough income flowing in. We help you increase profitability. We help you develop strategies. What kind of strategies do you need to help? What kind of goals do you have that you can help move your practice forward? These are the things that we can do to you. We help you provide. And another thing we do especially is that we help you. We study the way you interact with your patients. We study the way you behave with your patients, because most doctors are doctors, but they don't know how to interact with people, their patients. And we can train you on how to interact with your patients so that they keep coming back. Okay? We study the competition around you. You can go to our website, and when you go to our website, you can see so many other videos that we've done, and that gives you that helps give you an idea of what we are, what we do. But I guarantee you that when you partner with us, it's gonna be a successful match for you, because our sole objective is to help your practice and take your practice to the next level and make you happy, and so that you can have a life, so that you don't have to work all the time. You can have adequate staff, your office will run smoothly, and you know, we have, like I said, it will be a partnership made in heaven. So reach out to us through our website or call our office, and let's go into business together.